Williams, Philippines. Good afternoon. It's about 2:50 in the p.m. Friday, May 30th, 2025. Hope everybody's doing good. Uh, I just got back from getting out and getting a couple things taken care of. Uh, had to get a address change into my bank so that they could get me a check that was supposed to come to me, but it wasn't. It didn't. So now it's been canceled. They've got it zeroed out, and a new one there. I just told them to drop it directly into my account. It's already there. So I just got to doing a little bit of extra banking, putting it toward good things, getting rid of the bills. Uh, let's see. Oh, swung by and set up another account at a bank, another bank. And this will give me a debit card also that I can use uh, in case of backup. Boy Scout wants to have several different ways of getting money. Uh, yeah, it's always better to have extra backup ways so that you're not caught out. They say something about one is none, two is one, and three is for me. I'd rather have backup. I don't know about you, but yeah, I like having access to my money. That's an important thing. Of course, got that up. Went over and got that set up. So, yay, banking! And I just dropped it all over the ground. I just had to sit it down. It's been an interesting morning. Sorry. I'm tired. I'm ready for the day to be done. Ended up having extra banking to do because I opened up an extra banking account, and then the check actually showed up in my account, so I did some more banking to get more things paid off. A day's interest is a penny earned. If you can get rid of the interest, yay. So yeah. Anyway, I know I've been a little bit sketchy here the last couple of days. I haven't done much, but trying to get this, that, and the other taken care of, and yeah, so much fun. I don't know about y'all, but I wish my weekends were longer. I'm getting tired just having weekends. And I swung by, grabbed one of those slushies, not slushy, but smoothies. Pomegranate grape. Actually turned out good. Wish they had used a little more grape, but otherwise it was great. I actually enjoyed it. I'll have to remember that combination. It is what it is. And while I was there, I hauled off and did myself some sushi. Yeah, not a good place to be near. The only problem is, by the time I got done with both the different banks and getting the account opened up, by the time I got done with that and back over, it was, yeah, basically time to call it a day. So I didn't get that bit of laundry done. It's sitting in the car. I plan on trying to swing by and get it done tomorrow morning. Yeah. Why is there always so much other stuff to do? Some days it'd really be nice to have somebody else working with me. But then you got to deal with somebody else. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah. Saw a video from a couple showing an apartment. Pretty nice apartment. It's one of the efficiency loft 1 bedrooms. $77. 4,000 pesos. 4,500 pesos, something like that. Yeah, not a lot. Yeah, I could live in that place. Hopefully I can find something like that in Cebu instead of up there near Tagaytay. Yeah, pretty sure they got them down there too. So just a matter of finding something. Anyway, the bank got me took care of there. The new one got me a new card already, and I hauled off and did it does low interest rate, and then also the when I use it, it takes and puts points or small donation toward one of the local schools. Couldn't find the one I wanted, which was River Road, but I got the Dons, Paladuro Dons. Paladuro Canyon's a great place. I find it to be, yeah. So I'm backing the Dons. It's a good thing. So anytime I spend money on it, but it's for backup. Throw some money in there, leave it available, and in case of emergency, I've got something I can throw at a doctor's bill or something. It's not going to be my everyday carry and use. Like I say, in case of emergency, use card. Yeah, just saying. Anyway, I'm going to call it a day. I'm tired. I need to get some sleep. Gotta go do the evil Wing at the evil Wing place tonight. And yay. It is what it is. Anyway, William Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. Come along for the insanity. And it's about to get more active when I get over there. Might try to do some lives from the beach and such. Try to get over there, get to finding a spot to go fishing. It's one of the things I'm thinking about this Chewy about. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, come along for the ride. Do, don't, like, comment, subscribe. Your choice. It's up to you. Everything in your life is your choice. I'm Fish. Fish is out.